Hi, my name is Ritu Parashar and I'm into teaching mass communication, and I'm into this line from more than 2 decades. Basically, I started my career as a journalist, but then I moved to the public relation industry and advertising industry, and I started teaching also. And I feel that I have given more than 100% to the job. Whereas, when I started my career way back in early 90s, it used to be a male dominated industry. And I, as a woman, I never gave in to any male pressure, any work pressure from any man, and I stood for what is right and what has been right always for me. So I think it's very difficult, especially in our country where everyday woman is traumatized, where every day there is a professional pressure for a woman to give in, and also the domestic pressure. Then there have been times when life has been unfair to me. On professional front, I will not really name an organization, but then I was asked to resign on the basis of my gender, and also that on the basis of my religion, because I was working in an organization which was a minority organization, and I was heading their PR department. So I felt that I was very honest, loyal to my boss, honest to the organization, but then why I was the chosen one. And on domestic front, yes, everyday women has a fight. Women have to sacrifice their personal life for their domestic goals also. I was working in a corporate, and I was called in by HR department, and I was told that one of the HR person is really mesmerized by me, and why don't I go and date the person? If I date the person, that I will get more than 20% increment. But then I said I will not go. I will not go, because if I have to have increment, it has to be on my merit. Mm-hmm. So these kind of offers are definitely made to the women, mm-hmm. and women are more hardworking than men. But when it comes to the pay scale, it is always the men who gets more pay than the women, and women are made to sleep with men on this basis only. Women need more platform. They need platform at their workplace also, where they can talk about their problems. They need platform on domestic level also. So and I think women should talk to each other also. They should talk to each other, which they don't talk to each other. They don't listen to each other, and that can be a very good solution for all the problems. There have been so many people who have been my inspiration. Not only my bosses, my students have been inspiring also. And these young people, the people who are junior to me, they have a lot to teach to me, because they come up with new ideas. They are young people, more connected with media, more connected with internet, Google. So I get to know a lot from them. It's a very good platform. It's a very good, I think it's a portal, and very good portal where women can talk about their personal life, professional life, and women can express their views. And I think we in India, we need such kind of platform and portals where women can, without feeling embarrassed, without any kind of hurdle, they can go and talk whatever they want to talk about. They can talk their brains out.